I am Jason L. Ranisis from Nanood, Saraballones, Bohol, taking a course of Bachelor of Science in Marine Transportation or BSMT from Section S3G. The importance of PMIR's 5 resilience as BSMT, handling stress at sea, crisis management, leadership, and adaptability. PMIR's 5 resilience is very important in helping me fulfill my dream of becoming a successful seafarer because it trains me to be strong and adaptable in the face of challenges. Life at sea is not easy. There will be times of rough weather, long months away from family, and situations where stress, pressure are very high. By developing resilience, I will be able to stay calm, positive, and focused even in difficult circumstances. As a future seafarer, resilience will also help me handle mistakes and failure as opportunities to learn, rather than reasons to give up. Thank you.